Hi and welcome. I'm Geeta Balakrishnan, founder of Ethos Foundation, and I'm thrilled to have you join us on this transformative journey in universal design and accessibility. Take a moment to look around you. The world we live in is a mosaic of diverse individuals, each with their unique abilities, perspectives, and needs. Our built environment, however, often falls short in embracing this rich diversity. It's time for change. We all face situations in our life where we undergo certain life events, like pregnancy or maybe temporary ailments or disabilities. And in fact, we are all aging every day. All of us may have encountered challenges negotiating the environment around us at some point or the other. And that challenge was posed not by our condition or ability, but by the environment not being designed to suit our diverse needs. Imagine navigating built environments around you with ease, regardless of what your age or abilities may allow. This is the vision we strive for. A world where every space is not just functional, but inherently inclusive. This brings us to the heart of Project UDita. Universal design is the answer. UDita means an awakening in many Indian languages. Project UDita is brought to you by AVAS and Mphasis Foundation with Ethos as the knowledge partner. The Indian Institute of Architects has also supported this project along with Samarthyam, Vidyasagar, School of Planning and Architecture, Bhopal, Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, College of Architecture, Pune, and Wheeling Happiness as our advisors. The term universal design is not just a concept, but an underlying commitment to creating environments that are welcoming to all. In fact, it speaks of the fundamental need for equitable design, where accessibility is a mandate that fulfills the basic right to equal access by each and every individual, despite abilities, age, gender, or socio-economic background. UDita, envisioned as the sun, is the anchor for the course. She has the ability to identify barriers in the built environment and show us a way to overcome them through universal design. Over to you, UDita.
Thank you, Geeta. I believe that from young children to the elderly, from those with mobility challenges to those with sensory sensitivities, everyone deserves equal access to the world around them. Universal design is about anticipating the needs of all users from the very beginning rather than retrofitting solutions later. It's about weaving empathy into the very fabric of our designs, understanding that diversity is not a limitation but a springboard for innovation.
As students, teachers, designers, architects, and creators, we bear the responsibility of transforming the built environment around us in various capacities. Our design choices impact the daily experiences of countless individuals. And that's where the course comes in as an enabler.
In this engaging self-paced course, we will delve deep into the principles and practices of universal design. We will explore real-world examples, learn from experts in the field, engage with interactive activities, and equip ourselves with the skills needed to transform our vision into reality.
By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of universal design, and more importantly, will possess the empathy and skills to apply these principles in your projects. Together, we will be the catalyst for change, creating a world where accessibility is not an afterthought, but an integral part of every design. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with us? Welcome to Project UDita's self-paced course on universal design for the built environment, where we learn to design for all.